Hi guys, I hope you are good. In this video, I will tell you how to quickly monetize your YouTube channel and how you can earn with the help of YouTube. Now, as you can see on the screen, I have opened a YouTube channel of cartoon called Nick Jr. As you can see, it has about 23 million subscribers and it also earns in a very good way. Now another channel which I gonna show you is Baby Bus. It also has about 30 billion subscribers and it also has been monetized and they get a very good pay. Now you all will be worried about if you are making a new YouTube channel that will my channels succeed, will I have more views, how much time gonna take for me to monetize it. I'm gonna solve all your problems today. Just watch the video till end and I will help you create your own YouTube channel and you will get a lot of views in the same way. Now I'm gonna tell you how you can create uh, monetize your YouTube channel quickly. But you have to follow some few steps to do this. Search on the YouTube first of green screen cartoon. Now many cartoons will come having green screen in their background. The URL of the video and paste it into the website savefrom.net and click the download it into MP4 or MP20 S720 if you want. Now you can download the video. Now in this way the video will be downloaded in the downloads. Now we have to download the background for the video, so we will type on the Google for free background and many background will appear, so I'm gonna select one site. Now scroll down so we can get a better background for our video. This blue one looks good, so we're gonna select it and now click the download button. Now you can select the resolution, download it with the best resolution. It will be downloaded in downloads. As you can see, I have downloaded it, so I won't gonna download it again. Now we will open our shortcut for final editing. Let's wait for it to open. It has now opened finally. Now we're gonna add a video track, and now another video track we're gonna add. For you how to use the shortcut, you can watch my previous video. Now we are gonna scroll down the video first Now the image background that we have selected, now move the image all below the video so the background occurs in all video. Now the most important thing that I'm gonna do now is, that's the point, very important. As you can see, the green screen is still available, we have not removed it. Still, it's still appearing. Now we're gonna click to filters, go to the filters, click the plus sign. Now we're gonna type here chroma, select chroma simple. Now as you can see that the background have been applied to the video. Now let's see how it works. It's working quite good. The background has been applied to our cartoons, and now there will be no copyright law applied on our video, and we can freely upload our video on a YouTube channel and we can earn. You can select how much chroma you want to apply on the video so that the green thing disappears. The background has been applied to the whole video and the video is working just fine. You can see the whole video works just fine. Now let's see if we remove the chroma, how it looks, and if you apply the chroma, how it looks. The background applied, when the chroma is removed, the green screen appears. I hope you all guys liked my video, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you and have a nice day.